I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Your iPhone runs iOS 14 or later, and the alternative browser app is installed and signed in. Once done, unlock your device and open Settings. Make sure you can scroll to the browser's entry under the app list. You don't need a full backup to change the default, but it's sensible. Now, navigate to Settings and locate the name of the browser you want to set instead of Safari. This gets us ready to change defaults. You'll now change the default. From the browser settings entry, tap Default Browser App. You should see Safari and your installed browsers listed. Select the alternative browser to make it the new default. This means links from Mail and other apps open there. If you don't see the default browser app option, make sure both iOS and the browser app are fully updated. Sometimes restarting the phone after updates forces the option to appear. Once selected, tests will confirm the change. Finish by testing. Tap links in Mail, Notes, or Messages to verify they open in the new browser. If links still open in Safari, restart your iPhone and test again. Restarting often resolves lingering system state. If that fails, remove and reinstall the alternative browser app, then reselect it as default browser app. One key troubleshooting tip: if the default browser app option is missing after reinstall, update iOS to the latest version and check app permissions. This usually restores the setting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.